we told that 3 to the power x equal 27. So I will try to write 27 as 3. The base is 3 to the power a number, where after that you will let's say figure the x equal 3. Here 3 to the power x, the first term that is written on the left hand side, and 27 can be written as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, means 3 to the power 1 multiplied by 3 to the power 1 multiplied by 3 to the power 1. So I have the same base, I will just add the indices. So 3 to the power 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives 3 to the power 3. Therefore 3 to the power x should be equal to 3 to the power 3, means that x equal, therefore small x equal 3. This is how can you, let's say, solve this kind of equation. Okay, now the next question, what are the roots? I'll just make this bigger, my learners. I'll just make it bigger for you to see it. Okay, I'll make 20, 28, 36. Okay, I will make 28. Okay, so now we move to the second part. We have what are the roots of, I'll just make this also 36. Okay, 36 we told. Okay, what are, question number 2, what are the roots of the quadratic equation? X squared equal y equal x squared minus 4. So in order to solve this kind of quadratic equation, my learners, you should put y equal 0. Okay, put y equal 0. So this will give us what? 0 will give us y or 0 equal x squared minus 4, or just we'll start from x squared minus 4 equal 0. Okay, so x squared should be equal to 0. So here you can see that this is quadratic equation. We will just add here 4 to the left hand side, and add also here 4 to the right hand side. I'll just make copy, then I comes here. Look, we told that I should add here 4, add 4 plus 4. Where is 4? Okay, I will add here 4 plus 4 here. Why? Because I want to cancel the 4. Which color? This one. Okay, as here I will also here add 4. So you can see that after adding 4 to both sides, 4 minus 4 it will be, let's say, cancelled out. Okay, this one, and that will be cancelled, or I will make like that to cancel both of them. Okay, because negative 4 plus 4 is 0. So therefore x squared should be equal to 4. X squared should be equal to 4. Okay, so of course here I will just write equal sign. So can you give two numbers that multiply together to give 4? So we'll take x equal, therefore x equal, therefore we told x equal what? X equal, where is therefore this one, therefore x equal negative 2 or x equal 2. This is the roots of my quadratic equation. Clear? So we just comes here. I'll just make this one like that. So this is the last solution. Okay, this is the solution. This is first method. Okay, second method, if we like to use, I will just make x squared. Okay, second method. This is first method. First method. Okay, this is first method. In fact, there are so many methods. I will go now to the second method. Okay, so this is the first method, you already see it. Now we move to the second method. Okay, here in this second method, my learners, I will make with another color to be seen. So I will just paste what is given. This one should be equal to 0. So this is the difference between the two squares. Difference between two squares. Okay, the difference between equal 0, we told. Okay, the difference between what? Between two squares. I will make this bigger, smaller. Okay, 36 make 30 or 88, 28. So this is the difference between two squares, my learners. So it can be written as, so this one can be written as, so therefore this one can be written as, I will open the parentheses, x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 2. Clear? Should be equal to what, my learners? Should be equal to 0. Should be equal to 0 means that this one equals 0 or the next equals 0. Means okay, therefore x minus 2 equals 0 or x plus 2 should be equal to 0. So we have the first term 1 should be equal to 0 or the second one should be equal to 0. Clear? So here, therefore, or as a conclusion, we can conclude that x equal to or x equal to or x equal minus 2. Okay, equal minus 2. So this one, my learners, is the two roots of my quadratic equation. Clear? Okay, you can also find, let's say, finding the roots using the quadratic formula or just using factorization. Clear? But here we suppose that the other two methods, by factorization we will find the solution of the equation, or by the method of computing the square, or the method of factorization. Now we move to question number 2. Who can read? So if we suppose that A is a matrix 1, 2, 2, 4, so it is square matrix. Why? Because it has 2 rows and 2 columns. So square matrix means, okay, between parentheses 2 by 2 means 2 rows by 2 columns. 2 rows by 2 columns. Clear? Okay. Okay, now we want to find the value of the determinant. Okay, here I just use this fact. or I will make enter to be clear for you. Then I will go down. Okay, here this is the determinant. The value of the determinant is, I'll just make like that. Okay, now I will go to use the symbol of the determinant. I hope so that I can find it. Okay, and here is not operator. No. Okay, acceleration, of course no. So we will move to the brackets. This one is okay. This one, my learners, is the matrix, the determinant of my matrix. So this one, my learners, should be equal. Okay, I will make 1 multiplied by 4, 1 by 4, minus 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, then I will erase the rest. So this one should be equal to 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So the determinant here, as a conclusion, the determinant, my learners, is equal to 0. Okay, therefore where is this one? Okay, is equal to 0. Then I will erase what is written before. Okay, we told this one is equal to 4 minus 4 equal 0. Clear? Now I will just go to the next equation. Therefore this one is 0. Okay, so the determinant is 0. Clear? If we suppose now that we have another matrix, I will just use this fact. If we suppose that we have another exercise, I will just make like that. This exercise, for example, if A is 2, 2, 2, 2, 4 is a square matrix, I will just erase this. No need. The question, find the determinant of this matrix. So here I will make enter to let the question be clear for you. Then look, I will make 2 multiplied by 4. So the determinant is 2 multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 4. This one, like that. Look. Okay. Formus. This one, I will use this one. Okay. Means that this 2 multiplied by 4. This 2 multiplied by 4. So minus 2 multiplied by 4 minus what? Minus 2 multiplied by 2. Clear? Minus 2 multiplied by 2. So 2 by 4 is 8. Is 8 minus 4 gives 4. Clear? So the determinant, the value of the determinant here is 4. Clear? You will just make 2 multiplied by this is equal to that multiplied by that. Okay, 2 multiplied by 4 minus 2 multiplied by 2, then just calculation, you will find 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. I wish that this question was clear for you. Now move to question number 5. I will make this 36 as before to put it clear for you. Then I will go down. Okay, how it comes down. Okay, like that, Mr. Murad. Go, 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 go. Okay, here we have two expression. Find the value, or the value of course, of this expression x to the power 1 here by is not written, multiplied by y to the power 5 all to the power 2. This one, my learners, should be equal to, I'll just make a color. I need this one. So this one should be equal to what? I'll just use this as it is, not change, copy. Then I will make it here. Then I will just erase the parentheses or the brackets to make this clear for you. Look, this one, my learners, x, I will erase x because I will insert the square of x, the square of the number. So look here, this is x to the power 1 multiply by what? Multiply, okay, I will use this one. Look, I will make x to the power 1 multiply by what? Multiply by 2. X to the power 1, here there is 1 but it's not written, multiply by 1 gives x to the power 2, because 1 by 2 is, then here so we can see this one, y to the power 5 multiply by, I will make like that to be clear for you. Look, I will make y to the power 5 multiply by 2. Okay, because here I should multiply 2 by 5. 2 by 5, my learners, is 10. Sorry, I will just erase this. I will suppose that is not exist. So the last answer is that. Clear? This is the last answer, my learners. Now I will just use a fact here. This is x to the power 1. I will make it clear, to the power 1. And also here it's written, but I don't need to repeat again. This one should be the same as that, but I will use the fact that you already know that any number or any base that is different to 0 and to the power 0 is in fact is 1, but I will do it as it is. So x to the power 1 multiply by what? So look here, x to the power 1 multiply by 0. Okay, multiply by 0. So I'll just write here 1 multiply by 0. Okay, then we have my learners, y to the power negative 5 multiply by 0, or to the power 0. So I'll just multiply minus 5 by 0, gives here minus 5 multiplied by 0. Okay, look, this one should be equal to should be equal okay, should be equal to x to the power, I'll just write this. Okay, we told this one should be equal, then I will make this clear for you. Okay, 1 multiplied by 0 is 0, and here minus 5 multiplied by 0 is 0. So x to the power 0 in fact is 1 multiplied by what? By y to the power 0 is 1. 1 by 1, I will just make equal sign, equal 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. This is the first method. If you would like to use another method, You just do like that. Okay, this is the, I will just write here first method, sorry, first method, Mr. Murad. Okay, this is the first method. I will use this, I will use color red. Okay, then this one I'll put it here, and this one, my learners, I'll put this here. Okay, now second method, copy, I will make here second method. I will just write second method. No need to do all of this. You just write 0 is written as 1 minus 1. Okay, 0 is 1 minus 1 minus 1. Then you already know that. You already you already know that. This is equal to, I will use the fraction. Okay, then I will put this here. Okay, copy. I will make this one divided by this one by itself. Okay, all to the power 1, x to the power 1 divided by x to the power 1 is 1. Y to the power negative 5 divided by y to the power negative 5 is equal to 1. Clear? This is the second method, my learners. Okay. I told that I will use this. Then I will go to make, to change the color to the green one. Okay. I wish that it was clear for you, my learners. Okay. The next now, question number 6. Here, if we suppose that we told 36. Here we have question number 6. We have two vectors. If A equal the vector negative 2, 3 and B 1 over 1, 6, then find the total of these two numbers. Okay, then 5 the total of these two numbers. Okay, so it's easy, in fact. This one is gonna be very easy for you too. Okay, so we go back to the question. Here, if A equal negative 2, for example, 4, and 4, for example, if we suppose that is 4, 4, okay, the question is then find A plus B. As we have two vectors here, my learners, we'll just add what? Add A plus B. It's very easy. Okay, I will make here the color. I will put color green because I'm answering. So A plus B, my learners, should be equal to, I will make plus here. Okay, so I will just put this as, then this is A, okay, this is B. I will add them. So this one should be equal to, I would just use one column vector. Okay, then I'll make, okay, minus 2 here. I will add minus 2 to 4. Minus 2, sorry, minus 2. Okay, minus 2 plus 4 plus, okay, the next we have 4 plus 4. So this one, it's very easy. You can, I will write as minus 2 plus 4 is 2. Then 4 plus 4 is 8. Clear? Let's say the last answer. So I wish that everything was okay. At least you can practice this kind of question, and see you inshallah next time, my boys. Okay, and just so I hope so the lecture was very clear for you, my learners. Okay, my learners. Okay, thank you for understanding. See you next time, inshallah. Clear, and goodbye.